In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zoho Sign for electronic signatures. You'll receive an email notification requesting you to sign a document from DSL Telecom. This could be an agreement, an application form, or even a proposal. Simply click on the email upon receipt. Upon opening the email, you'll be able to identify who from DSL Telecom has sent you the document for signing. To start completing the document, simply select the button called Start Signing. Select Proceed to Document to start signing the document. Upon opening the document, you'll notice a pop-up which requests you to consent the use of an electronic signature system. Simply tick the box and select Agree and Continue. The fields that are highlighted are the fields that you need to electronically complete. In this example, you'll notice the required fields are full name, signing the document, and completing the date. A pop-up will appear with an empty box when selecting the signature field. To sign electronically, use your mouse cursor to draw your signature. Select OK once you've completed your signature. After completing all the fields, select the button in the top right-hand corner saying Finish. Your electronic document has now been completed and will automatically be emailed to DSL Telecom's team member. You are also able to download or email the document to yourself for reference purposes.
And that's it. You will then receive the confirmation that DSL Telecom has received your signed documentation.